Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from Sixth String Fingerpicking. Today we're learning how to play an arrangement of Boulevard of Broken Dreams. Hope you enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe. And if you'd like the full lesson and the guitar tab, as always, that's available in the description. Just before we get into it, if you'd like to get early access to all of my lessons, 25% off guitar tabs, and you want to try out any of my fingerpicking courses for free, then sign up to my newsletter. You sign up below, it takes 2 seconds. Okay, here we go. We're in standard tuning for this one, and I've placed a capo onto the 3rd fret. I've not done it in the original key, which I believe is in F minor, but yeah, I've put the capo on the 3rd fret purely because I like the sound of it there. Copy me if you want to move it elsewhere on the fretboard or don't use one at all. It's up to you. Anyway, the intro goes like that. So the chords there, speaking as if there were no capo on, are just A minor to C to G and then to D or D7. Okay, so hold down your A minor chord and you're going to play the 5th string, then you're going to play strings 4, 3, and then it's going to be the open 2nd fret. Okay, and then you're going to hammer that 1st fret on the 2nd string. So you've got one and a 2 and. Okay, so not too tricky. And then we go to our C chord, so hold that down, and you're going to play strings 5, and then 4, 3, and then open 1st string, and then you're going to play the 2nd string 3rd fret. So like. Like that. So if you put those two together, you've got. Sounds really nice, very, very nice to play. And then you go into the G, so the bass just goes down to the 3rd fret on the 6th string, play that. And then again, you're going to play strings open 4, open 3, open 2, and hammer the 1st fret. So that's just like that. And a 2, and so. And then get your 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string and just take your 2nd finger and put that onto the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And here we're just going to play strings 4, 3, 2. So from the G And that's your intro, so here it is again. And you got it. And that pops up a few times throughout this arrangement. From there, you then go straight into the verse. Okay, so let's break that down. Same chords as before. So starting on A minor, play the bass, and then you're going to play the third string twice, and then open second string. And then it goes to C, hold down a C, play the second and bass together. And then on the top string, you're going to play the third fret, and pull it off to open. I'll walk a lonely road. And then quickly, just before moving to the G chord, you're going to play the open top string. And then it goes to G. So of course play the third fret on the sixth string, but also hold down the third fret on the second string. Play those two together. And then on the second string play 1, and then 3 pull off to 1, and then the third fret again. So like that. So okay, and then we go to our D chord. So I play it like this. So I just bring in the second fret on the third string, but don't play anything on the top. Play the bass note, so the fourth string, then the third string, then the top string. Okay, so that's like, and then back to the second string, sorry, then you play the second string, and then you're going to play the first fret on the second string, and then the third string. So it's like, so. Okay, that last second fret on the third string, I play it whilst holding down an A minor chord, because that's where we're going next. So once more. Three and 4 and if you're struggling with that bit. Okay, then chord progression goes round again, and it's very, very similar. So we're on A minor, play the fifth string, the fourth string, the third string, and then open second string. So then it goes to C, second string and fifth string together, and then again we do that pull off, 3 to open on the top string. So from there you then go straight to your G chord, okay, and then the D, and you do it just like before. So okay, but we just don't add that quick note before going to it. Okay, so from that last A minor you've got, and then, okay, and that's really the first 4 bars. So we've played, so the second time through the progression is very, very similar to the first time through. In the verse, there's just a couple of small nuances. Once you get to that point, you then do the intro again. It goes through the same, exactly the same thing that we learned for the intro. So okay, and then that's the verse. So once you get to there, you repeat the whole thing all over again. So you then go back to here, And then again, back to the intro, same as what we played, but then here, I walk alone. Okay, so you've got I walk alone, and you do that twice. And then it's into the chorus. Okay, so that starts the same as before, the A minor to the C. And then for the G, we'll play the bass notes. Then you're going to play open top string. And then on the second string, you're going to play 3, pull off to 1, and back to the 3rd fret. So, and then it's the D. So like this, play the 4th string, 2nd string. Sorry, it's the 2nd fret, 3rd string, and top string. So like that, and then 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then 1st fret, and then back to the hold down your A minor and play the 3rd string. So like that. I walk alone, and you just do that twice. Second time, don't play the 3rd string 2nd fret at the end, just end on 3, 1 on the 2nd string, and that will lead you straight into the chorus. So good news at this point, you've learned the vast majority of the song. The only other section you've got left to learn is the chorus. Okay, which is just that, basically 4 times, and it changes a little bit on the last time through. So that there's an F chord going to C, and then G, and then A minor. Okay, so that's what's going on there. So hold down your F, and it's up to you. I play the 1st fret on the 6th string of the bass, but of course you can play the 4th string of the bass if you want to. It's totally fine, whatever way you want to do it. But just play the bass note, and then play the 3rd string, and then you're going to slide 3 to 5 on the top string, like that. Okay, and then straight back to the 3rd fret on the top string, so. And then hold down your C chord, play the bass note, and then play the 2nd string, and then play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and that's going to lead to your G. So you've gone like that, or like that. It's absolutely fine. But then, as I say, we're going to G. So then play the 3rd fret in the 6th string. On the 6th string, play that. And then on the 2nd string, you're going to play. So that's 1, 3, pull off to 1, and then to 3. So like that. Then hold down an A minor chord. I tie this note over this 3rd fret, so I'll hold it down, keep it held down, but I'm still holding down A minor as well, and I'll play strings 5, 3, 1, and then you're going to play that 3rd fret again on the 2nd string, back to the 1st fret, or down to the 1st fret. So from the G, it's like that. So learn that. Because once you've got that down, as I say, you repeat that 4 times through, and on the last time you get that. Okay, and then that's the chorus. So it starts the same as before, the F, down to the C, okay, then you play the bass, then play the first fret, or the second string first fret, so. And then we're going to, on the top string, slide 3 to 4, like that. And then it's going to E, so play the bass note of an E chord, just the 6th string, and then open top string. So once more. Okay, like that. Then I hold down an E chord and I'm just going to strum down, down, down. So if you put all of that together, you've got and then into that. So let me play the chorus through for you slowly from the start of it. Again. The last time, and that's it. So at this point you've learned all the parts of the arrangement. From there you've got kind of a short bridge where we just go play the same as what we did for the intro, once through, and then on the second time through just do that, okay, which is exactly the same as when we went into the chorus, and then after that you're just going to go through the chorus, one more chorus. That's basically it. And for the outro, all I've done is I just go essentially. I'm just playing exactly the same as the intro. So there you go. That's how you play this arrangement of Boulevard of Broken Dreams by Green Day. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Head over to sixstringfingerpicking.com. Over there we've got hundreds more lessons, all on fingerpicking for the beginner, the intermediate and the advanced player, and a whole bunch of courses that you can take too if you really want to take your fingerpicking to the next level. Remember, you can try out any of the courses completely for free when you join the newsletter. So all the links are down in the description, but until next time, thanks a lot.